Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan matcha yogurt tiramisu. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line the baking sheet with parchment paper. In a bowl, sift the flour. In a separate bowl, mix soy milk and extra virgin olive oil. Add the soy milk mixture to the flour and whisk until smooth. Squeeze lemon juice. You can also use bottled lemon juice or vinegar. Drain chickpeas. The drained chickpeas are great for making salads, soups, or hummus. In a separate clean bowl, whip aquafaba until foamy. Make sure to choose an unsalted chickpea can for the aquafaba meringue. Add sugar and keep whipping until stiff peaks form, like meringue. Add lemon juice and mix. Adding lemon juice makes the aquafaba meringue more stable. Take a small portion of the aquafaba meringue and combine it with the flour mixture. Fold the rest of the aquafaba meringue and mix until uniform. Do not overmix the batter. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and spread evenly. Tap it on the counter to flatten the surface and remove air bubbles. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes until the top is set. Let it cool completely. Flip the sheet sponge and remove the parchment paper gently. This sheet sponge is more fragile than the sheet sponge made of eggs, so please handle gently. Cut it into 4 pieces. In a small bowl, sift the matcha powder. Add sugar and warm water and mix until smooth. In a bowl, combine vegan yogurt, sugar, and lemon juice and mix until smooth. For this recipe, I used coconut yogurt, but you can use any type of plant-based yogurt. Melt the coconut oil by microwaving it for 5 to 10 seconds. Take a small portion of the yogurt mixture and mix with the melted coconut oil. Put it back into the yogurt mixture and mix until fully incorporated. If it's too loose, chill the cream in the refrigerator. Place a sheet of sponge in a glass dish. Use a brush, soak the sponge with matcha syrup. Spread a quarter of the yogurt cream. Place the second sheet of the sponge. Soak the sponge with matcha syrup. Spread the yogurt cream. Place the third sheet of the sponge. Soak the sponge with matcha syrup. Spread the yogurt cream. Place the fourth sheet of the sponge. Soak the sponge with matcha syrup. Spread the yogurt cream and smooth the top. Before serving, dust the top with matcha powder. You can keep this matcha tiramisu for up to a few days. Freezing is not recommended, as the texture will change after thawing. Feel free to use ladyfinger cookies if you have no time to bake. You can substitute matcha with espresso to make regular vegan tiramisu. I hope you enjoy making this delicious vegan matcha yogurt tiramisu and sharing it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.